Hi, this is Fern. Welcome to my channel, FML Diversify. Doing a quick video to show what you can do by budgeting and extending your money to make things work. So this is one of the dishes I made today. I made fresh homemade bread and I made fettuccine lasagna. Well, I guess you would kind of say it's more like a fettuccine bake. And in it is sausage, turkey meat. So I really don't try to eat any beef. I do eat it, but I don't buy it per se. Burger or something. But other than that. But I just wanted to show you how you can stretch your money. This whole meal, the flour I used was 2 cups and a fourth of flour, 2 ounces of yeast, and you can get the 3-pack at Aldi's or your local grocery store, depends on what their yeast is going for maybe $1 and some change. Some places might be a little higher, some places might be less, but it only took 2 ounces, so it was less than one of the packs of the 3-pack, or you can get the jar yeast. So it was that. I put a little syrup. It asked for honey, but it basically some kind of sweetener. If you don't go for the sweeteners, then you can just use nothing, just use the dough. You can also use your dough as pizza dough, rolls. My daughters, they've been baking a lot in the past couple of weeks, and my daughter sent us all a quick bread. So if you don't have the money for a loaf of bread, if you have some flour, water, and some yeast, you could even do bread. Google it and make bread without the yeast. A no yeast bread. It's possible. It's in the Bible. So anyway, just going on to say I did a box of fettuccine was 88 cents on sale. It was $1, maybe 50 for regular price. The store I went to, 2 bottles of sauce, because it's actually a big sheet pan, which I'll share with my neighbor, and my grandkids are coming this weekend. So they got their meal, and I have leftover in another container of sauce for spaghetti or subs or eggplant I'm thinking about making, but another dish. So I have like 1/4 of the whole pot left. So you can extend your money by making dishes. And then I went to one of the stores and they have it online. You can purchase containers, or you can keep your containers for your fast food restaurants, wash them out, utilize them, use them for storage containers, save food for your lunch, all kind of different things like that. Lunch for the kids, the husband, the wife, your grandmother, grandfather. My daughter does meal prep for her father-in-law sometimes. So you can stretch that money. I think this total meal per person for a serving might be about $3, maybe 3 and some change. But remember, this is a whole 2 cups and a fourth of just flour. Look at the flours. There's all kind of flours. You could do it with wheat flour. Stay away from the enriched flours. That white flour, try to stay away from that. It's not good. The chemicals, a lot of people are getting sick from those white breads, so be very careful. Otherwise, it might be a little more change. Add it to your flour. You can go up on better quality flours they have. Some people just know Gold. I think it's Gold Meal or something. Try to stay away from those. Try to get more of an imported flour where you're going to get much better for your health. So this is the dish I made. This is about 10 meals out of here. And yeah, you can do it. Stretch that money, save that money to do whatever's coming down the road, so you can make sure that you have the money to pay your bills and do the things that you got to do. Okay, this is Fern today from FML Diversify. Have a good evening and enjoy. Talk with you later. Bye-bye.